What's up, guys? I just woke up around after 4 because I really want to show you guys the trade I took yesterday and how it went. And the trade was actually good on GBP USD and AUD USD. And it went very well. I'm also going to be showing you how I take the trade and the analysis I actually took, and also I'm going to show you how much I made on the trade yesterday. So let's go into the system. Let me show you the analysis I made yesterday and the how the trade goes. So guys, join me in the screen. He actually took this particular trade on GBPUSD, and you can see how it went. So yesterday, I actually tried to analyze the market, but while analyzing the market, I started from 4 hours time frame to actually see the direction of the market. You can see, I realized that the market is actually on an uptrend, and there is actually a change of market direction right here. As you can see, the market was actually coming in a downward direction. You can see it actually came down to retrace to to hit these particular levels, and it came back to retrace to hit these particular levels again. It came back and so, and you can actually see this massive spike in the market, and it actually retraced to confirm this particular level, and you can actually see how it went. So this actually confirmed the change of the market structure. So what I actually did was to actually mark out the major levels in the market. So I actually came back to the 1 hour time frame. So I came back to the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, I was able to mark out this major level in the market. You could see this retracement. I marked it out along with this. I hope you're getting it right. So right away, I also marked out these particular levels too, because these levels are actually powerful levels in the market. I also marked out this particular level, and I marked out this and also a trajectory of these particular levels. Now, this is how the market plays out yesterday. Let me go to 15-minute time frame so that you will be able to see what I saw before I entered this trade yesterday. So I actually came over to the 15-minute time frame, and in the 15-minute time frame, you can actually see that the market actually goes along with my projections. Now yesterday, I came into the market when the market was ranging yesterday, and you could see this is actually a key levels in the market right here. So the markets, based on the major levels in the market was actually ranging on my major levels, and I actually tends to apply the law of accumulation of the market, manipulations of the market, and distribution of the market by the smart money concept. So right here, there was actually an accumulation right here, and there was a manipulation making people to think that okay, this market is definitely going up. You get what I'm trying to say? And when it hits this particular level, you can see this particular level I mapped out right here, and I discovered the market starts coming down. Left to me, now what I was expecting to see yesterday if the market continue moving was that if it actually hit this particular level and it retraced and it start going, that is when I would have entered the trade. So later on, it hit this particular level and it starts coming down to the main support level right here. So immediately it hit this particular support level, I discovered that this is the last support level in this particular segment of the market. So I tend to enter the trade right here. You see where I entered the trade right here. I entered the trade. Immediately I saw this big candle, I entered the trade. So when I entered the trade right here, I tend to put my stop loss. I didn't put it right here on this level I marked. You get, I put it below this level, like below this last candles. That is, if you could see very well, that is where I put my stop loss. And you could see that the market actually went very much well. It broke this level, came back and retest this particular level, and it keep moving. So the way I'm actually seeing this market today, there are huge possibility that this market might still go up, but I'm still going to explain how my trade goes yesterday before I'll come back and explain to you people the major possibility of what the market might turn out to be today. You get what I'm trying to say? So let me also take you guys to the next currency pair I also traded yesterday, which is AUDUSD. Also, guys, in AUDUSD yesterday, the same thing that actually happened in GBPUSD is what really happened in AUDUSD. as a trader, I want you to kind of take your time and discover that AUDUSD and GBPUSD, they mostly work in the same direction. So if you are taking those trades, you should be able to know that the two markets are actually, going through. Now, yesterday, I went through to the 4 hours time frame, and I could realize that this trade is also going on an uptrend. The market was actually on an uptrend. So when it hit this particular level, you can see these levels right here. It tends to reverse, and when it starts going up, it's giving me a very good confirmation that this market is definitely going on an upward direction. Now, when I came over to a 1 hour time frame, what I tend to realize is that I tend to mark out the major key levels in the market. You could see the first key levels in the market. You could see another key levels right here in the market. Now, if you could see, this is another level in the market. I tend to mark it out. You could see this level, attached to this particular level. If you could see it very well, is a nice level in the market. You get what I'm trying to say? So, and I also mark out these particular levels too. I tend to mark out all the major levels in the market. You get what I'm trying to say? So I mark out all the major levels in the market. Now, yesterday, I also went through to 15-minute time frame to find a very good entry into the trade. So what really happened right here yesterday was that when I came into the market tends to come over right here and hit this particular level, and I saw it coming down to this particular level I've marked. You can see the marking, you can see that level right here. This is the level right here I marked yesterday. I discovered it came back and hit these particular levels. And when I saw it, I discovered that, wow, this is a very good confirmation, because a trade cannot just keep going like that without retracing back to a particular levels. But I was not convinced enough, because I felt like, okay, let this trade to give me another confluences so that I can be able to be sure that this market is going through my direction that as I've projected, because those smart money concepts, the way they did in GBPUSD, they can actually do the same right here. So what I tend to wait for was that the market came back and hit this particular level right here. Left to me yesterday, if the market actually break this level, retrace on this particular level and start going, I would have entered for a buy, because I know this is actually an uptrend movement. So immediately market hit this level yesterday. I was still waiting for more confluences. So it came back and hit this particular level to form a double bottom. I'm a kind of a guy that I love, double top and double bottom in the market. When I see that it came back and hit this level and form a double bottom, it gave me a good confirmation that the trade is definitely going up. That is when I entered the trade right here yesterday. After this big, candle spike up, I tend to, place my stop loss beneath this particular level. I'm a kind of a guy, I'm very careful when it comes to stop loss and, take profit, because I can't manage to risk the little I have. I hope you get what I'm saying, right? So right away, the market actually placed out. It's hit this particular level. You could see, if I actually take it to 5 minutes, you could see that this market actually tends to retrace. Let's go back to 5 minutes. You could see that in 5 minutes, when it hit this level, it retraced, and it keep moving, and it hit our take profit, and it keep moving. I hope you are getting it right. This is how I actually analyze my trade, and this is how the trade tends to play out yesterday. So guys, this is actually the history of the trade. This trade I actually took on the 26th of April, which I was on 162 down. You get what I'm saying? So I took this trade I explained to you guys in this video on May 2nd, which I actually explained to you the GBPUSD. You can see how much I made, and you can actually see how the trade plays out. You can see the trade history. So far I was actually on a profit of $736. So guys, that is how the trade went. So I'm also going to be analyzing the trade for today, and anyhow it is, I'm going to explain it to you guys tomorrow, and probably by Sunday I'm going to be explaining to you guys how the trade is going to go for the week, and let's see and hope the trade goes along with our projection. So guys, if you like the way I tend to analyze my trades, I ensure you subscribe to this channel hit the notification bell. So guys, that is all about my, the way I take my trade today and how I go about it. I love you guys.